Aya Nikoji from Classroom of the Elite is the most keystone character in the anime world currently. Due to everything we're gonna cover in this video. We're gonna dissect everything about Aya Nikoji, and of course how can we take the positive traits and apply them to our own life. It will be fun. Let's get straight into Aya Nikoji. तो क्या तुमने कभी सोचा है कि क्यों Aya Nikoji इतना मैनिपुलेटिव है? क्यों Aya Nikoji इतना नेचुरली एंड इजीली सिचुएशंस को कंट्रोल कर पाता है? Now I'm gonna ask you this. Can you guess what's the most powerful trait that Aya Nikoji possesses? Of course, we gonna answer all of this in this video. However, YouTube पे countless videos Aya Nikoji पे बन चुके हैं, पर मेरी सोच में वो सभी videos एक basics को address नहीं किया गया. Like think of it this way. All the other videos give you techniques and tactics about Aya Nikoji, but those videos are just tree branches. Whereas this video right here, right now, is the tree itself. So don't wanna miss this because it is the most important you can find in the entire YouTube. And I guarantee you, you won't regret this video. Let's get straight into the video. So number one skill Aya Nikoji possesses more than anything else is awareness. तो अगर तुम मुझसे पूछो कि what is awareness, तो मैं कहूँगा awareness is the ability to see. See what? Everything. प्रैक्टिकल्स के लिए तुम अभी देखो, तुम्हारे आगे क्या है, तुम्हारे पीछे क्या है, तुम्हारे ऊपर नीचे क्या है, तुम किस पोजीशन में बैठे हो, कैसे खड़े हो. सी, तुम इन सभी की इनसाइट्स को मिस कर रहे थे. यही सेम चीज़ Aya Nikoji पूरे शो में करता है. इफ़ यू गो एंड रिवॉच द शो, यू गोना एब्सोल्युटली एनालाइज हिज एनवायरनमेंट, व्हाट्स बिहाइंड हिम, व्हाट्स फ्रंट ऑफ हिम. Now remember what I'm gonna say for the rest of your life. Active versus passive. Hear me out again. Active versus passive. Aya Nikoji is always in active state of mind, whereas the others are more in passive. Well, इससे मेरा क्या मतलब है? तो सुनो, according to Huffington Post, 90% of consciousness is still in subconscious state. जबकि सिर्फ 10% ही एक्टिव स्टेट में रहता है. ऑल्सो अकॉर्डिंग टू साइकोलॉजी टुडे, एक आम आदमी दिन में 35,000 डिसीजंस सोचता है, लेकिन जैसे कि हमने पहले देखा सिर्फ 10% यानी 3,500 डिसीजंस ही हमारी अपनी सोच है. इन सभी चीज़ों से मैं ये प्रूव करना चाहता हूँ कि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल एक कंप्लीट ज़ॉम्बीफाइज हेज में रहते हैं. दे मूव सबकॉन्शियस स्लीपिंग ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एन एल्गोरिथम रोबोट who have the illusion that they are alive and conscious. But in reality they are following a script encrypted by a programmer. In our case, we live in a matrix. So the constant pressure of social media, news, propaganda, we are given an algorithm to follow, leaving most of the people with the illusion that they are making their own choices, whereas in reality they are being controlled by a matrix. Aya Nikoji possesses high level of awareness. और अगर तुम्हारे पास भी high level of awareness है तो तुम किसी भी third person से manipulate नहीं हो सकते, because it's nearly impossible, because you are aware of them attempting to do so. Okay, so now let's speak on how you can train your awareness like that of Aya Nikoji. Brother, White Room was crucial for Aya Nikoji's awareness. So you need to understand our White Room in order to develop awareness like Aya Nikoji, which is one of the most powerful traits in the world. You need to cultivate an environment that will accelerate the power of your awareness. The White Room is specifically cultivated to train one's ability to see. The kids of White Room, especially the 4th generation class, were trained to be cunning and manipulative to the nth degree. To train one's ability to see, meaning they have to learn how to get information under any means necessary. And you can only gather information efficiently if you have a high level of awareness. Follow up by the second point is asking questions. Bro, इस चीज़ को हल्के में मत लो. If you go back and rewatch the Classroom of the Elite series, Aya Nikoji हमेशा अपने दिमाग में क्वेश्चन पूछते रहता है. Because when you ask question to your brain is now employed to find an answer, and the only way to find answer is to gather information. And like I said earlier, Aya Nikoji is a master at gathering information, aka asking question. So whenever Aya Nikoji stumble in any situation, Aya Nikoji उस टाइम पे एक सेकंड रुक के अपने दिमाग में क्वेश्चन पूछता है and try to find the answer of the question. This allows him to flawlessly gather information and therefore have a much better understanding of what decision he should be making next. and will easily and naturally allow him to get what he wants. Now the third point is whether real or fiction. सोचो अगर आज निको जी एक रियल लाइफ में एग्जिस्ट करता तो क्या इन किसी भी चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेट करता? Checking Instagram every 25 minutes a day, scrolling endless on TikTok for 7 hours a day, binging 3 anime shows a week, non-stop video games, sucking up sugar and junk food like a damn vacuum, PMO addiction. Like it's common sense, आए ने कुछ इन सब में से कुछ भी नहीं करते, लेकिन बहुत से लोग इसमें से कुछ ना कुछ करते होंगे अगर सारे ही नहीं करते हो तो। आए ने कुछ का अपने अटेंशन पर complete control, which is number 3 for building awareness. If you do not have control over your awareness, if you do not have control over your awareness, you don't have control over your life. This is common sense. This is the most important one. Because अगर तुम अपने awareness को ट्रेन नहीं कर पाओगे, तुमने अगर ट्रेन कर भी लिया लेकिन तुम 24 आवर इन टाइम सेविंग चीज़ों पे क्लंज अप रहोगे तो अवेयरनेस ट्रेन करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता। The practical tip here is अपने डेली हैबिट्स डेली लाइफ को जर्नल करके देखो कौन सी चीज़ है जो तुम्हारा अवेयरनेस स्टील कर रहे हैं and replace them with an activity that enhance your attention, not diminish your attention. So yeah, here's the end of the video. Now let me know in the comment what type of classroom English show you want next in this series, because I want as many videos ideas as humanly possible. But as always, it's your choice. I see you in the next one. Till then, peace.